Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 1 to Feb March 2019. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics paper 1 core 0580 paper 12 Feb March 2019. Question number 1. A mathematics lesson starts at 11:05. The lesson lasts for 75 minutes. Work out the time that the lesson ends. So we'll use directly calculator and it will be 11 hours and 5 minutes. This one plus 0 hours and 75 minutes, and answer will be 12 hours and 12:20, so we can write here 12:20. Question number 2. The probability that it will be sunny tomorrow is 0.97. Work out the probability that it will not be sunny tomorrow. So 1 minus 0.97, because total probability is 1. We can subtract 1 minus 0.97. This will be equal to 0.03. So this is equal to 0.03. 0.03 will be our answer. Question number 3. Angles are given A, B, C, D, and the question is complete the statement angle. Which angle is reflex angle? Reflex angle is this one. So we'll write here C. The question number 4. The temperature 07:7 AM is minus 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature is 11 degrees Celsius higher than the temperature at 1. So 11 degrees higher than this will be find the temperature at 1 o'clock. So it will be in minus 11 and minus 3. Basically this is the temperature. We can understand from by what do you call number line. We can understand negative numbers and plus number. I'll draw for you, for example this one. So if we check from here, this is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and say this is 11, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will be here. So from this point to this point, it will be 11 plus 1, 2, 3 units. So 14. Total will be 14. 11 plus 3 will be equal to 14. So it will be, difference will be 14 degrees Celsius. Question number 5. Jody swims 22 lengths of swimming pool to raise money for charity. She receives $15 for each length she swims. So we have to multiply 22 by 15 is equal to 22 multiplied by 15. This will be equal to 330. So this is $330. 330 will be our answer. This is done. Question number 6. A student measures the angles in a triangle. And these are the 3 angles of the triangle. Explain why the student is incorrect. So we know that sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So if we add 55 plus 85 plus 50, this will be equal to how much? We will check. 55 plus 85 plus 50, this is equal to 190. This is equal to 190 degrees, which is not of a triangle. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle should add up to 180 degree. So we write angles of a triangle. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree. Add up to 180 degree. That's why the student is wrong. Question number 7. The diagram shows a net of the solid. So this diagram is given, net of the solid. Write down the mathematical name of the solid. So I have basically made the model for you, this one. So this is the same as this one. It's a reduced page, but it's the same shape, and we can bend this by the help of scale on these points. So if we bend from here and also from this side also here and from here, this is just for your explanation and understanding. If we bend this one, and you can see if we join this and this side also, this will be of this shape which I'm trying to show you. This will be the triangular shape. This is triangular shape, this one is triangle, this side, and this side is triangle, and this is basically triangular prism which you can see. So this net is, I'm opening this net again, this is the net, and if you fold it comes to a triangular prism. This is triangular prism. So we will write here triangular prism. Triangular prism, P-R-I-S-M, prism. Now question number 8, A part, write this number they have given us correct to two significant figures. So two significant figures, we know leading zeros are non-significant, so 4 and 6 will be significant, so we'll have to remove from here. So 8 is more than 5, so we'll increase 6, and plus 1 will be 6, will be changing to 7, so it will be 0.047. So answer will be 0.047. Then we have to write this number in standard form. Standard form, we need decimal over here. So suppose decimal is over here, we will have to shift it over here. So how many jumps? 1 2 3 4 5 6 jumps. So we can write 2.76 into 10 raised power 6, because jumps will be to the left side. If jumps are on the right side, then power will be negative. So our answer will be 2.76 into 10 raised to the power 6. Question number 9. Reflect this shape in the line. We have to reflect this one, and line is AB. So we'll be taking, for example, this point, and distance from this line is 1 unit. So we'll take 1 unit over here, and we can take this point as well, 1 unit. So this will also be 1 unit from the line. And if we take this point, this is 1 and 2 units. So 1 and 2 units. So we can mark these points, and also we can join side by side like this one. So whatever points we found, we are joining also, so that we can get our complete drawing as well. So if we check now this corner, this is 1 2 3 4 units from the line. So we can count from here 1 2 3 and 4 units. So it will be over here, and we can join this with this. It's done. Next is this corner. So this is 1 2 3 units. So from here 1 2 3 units. So this will be our location. So we can join this with this. The next one is this one. It's 1 2 3 and 4 units from this line. 1 2 3 and 4 units. So this will be the point. and we have to join this point with this one as well as with this one. So our drawing is complete. This is reflection of this diagram. This is 2 marks, very easy question, question number 9, which we have done. Next is question number 10. Write down the 6 factors of 12. And factors of 12, you know, the numbers which are completely dividing 12 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself is dividing 12, so we can include 12 as well. Then question number 11, matrices E and F are given and write as a single matrix 3E. So we'll be multiplying E with 3, so minus 5 and 4, this will be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 will be minus 15, 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12, so this will be the answer. Minus 15 and 12 we can write over here. And next is F minus E. So F is 0 and 6, minus E is minus 5 and 4, so we can write 0 minus minus 5, minus means plus, so 0 plus 5, and this will be 6 minus 4, so 6 minus 4 we can write like this. This will be 5 and 2. This will be our answer, 5 and 2 over here, which we have written. So this is done. Next is question number 12. Simplify a part, y raised to 5 whole raised to 3. So powers will be multiplied, 5 into 3. So this will be equal to y raised to the power 15. Our answer will be y raised to the power 15. Then w raised to power 7 divided by w raised to power minus 2. So the power will be subtracting. So 7 minus minus 2. This will be equal to w raised to power 7 plus 2, which is w raised to power 9. So we can write w raised to the power 9. Next is, without using calculator, estimate by rounding each number correct to one significant figure. So we can round this 104.3 as 100. So it will be 100 under root. And this one 8.7 can be rounded as 9. Minus 7.3 will be rounded as 7. So 100 under root we know is 10. So this is 10 divided by 9 minus 7 will be 2. So this will be cancelled and result will be 5. So our answer will be 5. Question number 14. A tourist changes $500 to euros. So dollar to euro conversion rate is given. So we can take $500 and divide it by the conversion ratio 1.0697, and this will be 500 divided by 1.0697, and this will be equal to 467.42. So we can write 467.42. Basically 467.4. Change 645 millimeter into centimeters. Each centimeter is having 10 millimeters. So 645 divided by 10. 645 divided by 10 will be equal to 64.5. So we'll write 64.5. This will be our answer. And next B part is change 4.1 meter cube into centimeter cubes. So 4 meters into centimeter, multiply by 100, because 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and these are 3, right? So we'll have to multiply 3 times, 100, 100 and 100. So this will be 4 multiplied by 100 multiply by 100 and multiply by 100 is equal to 4 with 6 zeros. So we can write here answer for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. This is basically, we have done mistake 4.1. So what we will do, we will change this to 4.1 and this will be equal to 41 and 5 zeros. So we will reduce 1 0 and this will be 41 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now the answer is correct. Now we will be moving to next question, which is question number 16. The width W meters of a room is 4.2 meters. Correct to the nearest 10 centimeters. So lower bound, upper bound question. Complete this statement about the value of W. So 4.2. We can write upper bound and lower bound. This is upper bound and this will be lower bound. 4.25 will be upper bound and 4.15 will be lower bound. And this one upper bound will be writing on the bigger side, this one 4.25, and lower bound on the lesser side, so 4.15. We cannot switch these two, so we'll have to take care of writing 4.15 on this proper side. Now this is question number 17, and this is triangle is drawn on the grid. Draw the enlargement of the triangle by scale factor 3. Center X. We'll have to basically enlarge this triangle. We will be drawing this one. First of all, we will be drawing from here to this one, passing through this point. This is center of enlargement. So we can draw a line like this one. This is our line. Then we can draw this side as well. This side will be drawn like this. Now this side as well we have to draw like this. Even we can extend up to this one, and after drawing this we have to check carefully. See, this is 1, 2 units, this side is 2 units, but scale factor is mentioned 3. So this side will be enlarged by scale factor 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6 units. So we have to check between these two lines where we will get 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. This cannot be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So this is basically the location where we will draw the line, and we will get the enlarged image. And now from this corner we will start 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it should be, everything should be on the lines which we have drawn. So carefully we will be drawing this line. So this is also done. And now the third part, we have to join this with this one to get completed. This is complete drawing. Now basically this one, if you want, I will shade for you so that you can clearly understand. This is basically the enlarged triangle by scale factor 3, and with the center which was given to us. So what we have done, we have basically extended the lines on all three sides, and we have taken one side. I have taken this side and started from this side. You can start even from here. If you start from this side, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 4 multiplied by the scale factor, which is 3, will be 12. So you will have to check which lines are having distance of 12 units. So this line is having 12 units, so you can take this point and this point, and you will have to notice that 1, 2, 3, all three vertices of the triangle are on the lines which we have drawn, which we have extended. Hopefully you understand this one. So I'm trying to explain properly everything, specifically transformation and enlargement and those type of questions, so that you can understand better. And if you are understanding better, to subscribe the channel also, so that you will be getting intimation for new videos. And now let us go to the next question, which is question number 18. The probability that a sweet made in factory is the wrong shape is this one, and one day the factory makes this many sweets. Calculate the number of sweets that are expected to be wrong. You'll have to just multiply probability with the number of sweets made, that is this one. So if we multiply this 0.0025 multiply by 25000, this will be equal to 62.5. what we have copied here, 25, it should be 28, so we'll have to change this one to 28. And if we change to 28, this will be giving us 70, which is the correct answer. So 70 is this one. Next, question number 19. Factorize completely. Check what is common in both. So 4 is common in both, and g is also common in both. Inside remaining will be 2g minus 2g minus 1. 4g is gone out, so 2g minus 1. So answer will be 4g. Inside will be 2g minus 1. This will be our answer. Question number 20 is simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, two equations are given, and if we check, this is minus 3y and this is plus 3y. If we add these two equations, we'll get rid of this y. So we can write here adding, and this will be 6 plus 2, 8x is equal to 28. So x will be equal to 28 by 8, which is equal to I'll check the calculator. 28 divided 28 divided by 8 will be equal to 3.5. So answer will be, x value will be 3.5. Now we have to find the y value. We can use any of these equations. I'm using the second equation. 2 into 3.5 plus 3y is equal to 16. This implies 3y is equal to 16 minus 2 into 3.5 will be 7. So this will be equal to 16 minus 7 will be 9. 3y is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3. This will be cancelled. So this implies y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 will be our answer. Then question number 21. A shape is given, 3D shape basically. Calculate the total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid. To calculate total surface area, we can check this facing area. This is the facing area, which will be length to width and 5 into 7.5, and opposite side of this one will be over here. If we complete this one, this will be like this. Cuboid will be like this one. So this opposite side will also be same measurement. So we can write 2 into 7.5 and multiply by 5. So these will be two sides. Then we have this front portion, this one, and the opposite back portion also. And front side is what? 12 multiplied by 7.5. So 2 into 12 multiplied by 7.5, and top will be this one, and bottom also, top and bottom will be 2 into 12, this side multiplied by this side, which is 5, so 5. Now we can calculate this. 2 into 7.5 multiplied by 5 plus 2 into 12 multiplied by 7.5 plus last term is 2 into 12 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 375 centimeter square. So we can write here 375. Question number 22. The number of passengers on a train increases from 63 to 73. Calculate the percentage increase. So increment is from 63 to 73. To check increment, 77 minus 63 will be equal to, we can mentally calculate, but I'm using calculator to show you, 14. So this will be 14, and 14 is increment on what? On 63, this number. So 14 divided by 63 multiplied by 100, because we need percentage increase. So this will be 14 multiplied by 100 and divided by 63. This will be equal to 22.22. This is equal to 22.22. So we can write here 22.2. Question number 23. Diagram is given. The diagram shows a quadrilateral, and we know this is the shape of a kite, and write on the mathematical name of the quadrilateral, so it is kite. The next part, work out the area of the quadrilateral, give the units of your answer. So to calculate the area of the quadrilateral, what we can do, if we draw this line over here, it will be so to calculate area of the quadrilateral, we have divided this kite shape into two portions. Now we can take this one portion which I'm shading. This is like a triangle, this is triangle, so we can remove this. So I will be considering this one. So I will calculate, we will calculate this area of this triangle first. Height is this one, height is this one, and base is this. If we check how many units is the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 units, and height is 1, 2, 3 units. So 3 units and 8 units. So this side is 3 units, this side is 8 units. So we know what's the formula of area of a triangle? 1 by 2 into base, which is 8, and height, which is 3, and this will be 2 4s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So this will be 12, and this 12 centimeter square is basically area of this shaded part, which is half of the area of this kite. So we'll multiply this by 2. 12 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 24. So 24 centimeter square will be area, centimeter square. So 12 centimeter square is area of half of the kite, and 24 centimeter square will be area of complete shape. Question number 24. 5 numbers have a mean of 9.4. 4 of the numbers they have provided us, 3, 5, 10 and 12, and they are asking us to work out the range. First we have to find the fifth number, and to find the fifth number, let us suppose that fifth number is x. So these will be the 4 numbers provided, and x is the fifth number, and the mean they have provided us is 9.4, and mean we know we are adding the numbers 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus x and divided by the number which is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers, so divided by 5 is equal to 9.4, which is provided. Now if we add these numbers, 10 plus 12 will be 22, 22 plus 8 will be 30, so 30x is equal to 5 multiplied by 9.4, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 9.4 will be equal to 47. So we can write this equal to 47. So x will be equal to 47 over 30, and 47 divided by 30 will be equal to 1.56. 1.56. Not basically we are doing mistake. This is 30 plus x. This is 30 plus x. It's not 30x. So we'll add 30 plus x over here, and this will be not divided by 30. This will be 47 minus 30. 47 minus 30, which is equal to 17. So x value is 17. This number will be 17. X is equal to 17. But we have to give answer for the range. Work out the range of the 5 numbers. Range we know is maximum minus minimum. The range will be equal to maximum minus minimum number. So maximum is 17, which we found, minus the minimum is 3, so 17 minus 3 will be 14. So our answer will be 14. Now question number 25. Without using calculator, work out this. Basically fraction is given. So 3 whole 1 by 8 divided by 5 by 12. So we can convert this one. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. 25 divided by 8, and multiplication, this division we can change into multiplication, and we have to change the numerator and denominator, and after swapping this will be our equation. So we can cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, and 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. We can use calculator, but they have mentioned without using calculator. That's why I'm cancellation also doing without calculator. 5 into 3 will be equal to 15, and 2 into 1 will be 2. So 15 divided by 2 will be equal to 7 whole 1 by 2. So our answer will be 7 whole 1 by 2. Question number 26. These two triangles are joined together. So triangle ABC and BCD are both right angle triangle. This is right angle, this is also right angle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem because this is right angle triangle. And even we can use trigonometry also. Calculate the value of y, and if we check y is this length, so this will be, we will be applying Pythagoras theorem first on this triangle, and we know that hypotenuse, this side is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is BC. BC square will be equal to BD square plus CD square. So we can write BC is equal to BD is 4.4 and even we can write down value of BC as well, and BC is 5.3, so we can write 5.3 squared is equal to 4.4 squared plus CD squared, which is y. So this one. Now CD square or y square will be equal to 5.3 squared minus 4.4 squared, and we can write y is equal to root of 5.3 squared minus 4.4 squared, and we'll use calculator for this calculation. Root of 5.3 squared plus 4.4 squared will be equal to 6. We are doing some mistake. Basically 5.3 squared minus 4.4 squared. We'll check the calculation again. BC, basically this should be 5.3 square and minus 4.4 square root. Okay, I'll check again for this one. 5.3 squared plus 4.4 squared will be equal to 6.88. 6.89. This is equal to 6.8. Basically we have done mistake over here. This is minus, but in calculator we have taken plus, so I will rectify this. I will change this one as minus, and this will be equal to 2.95. So I will erase this answer, and we will be having final answer as 2.95. 2.95. So this will be 2.95. This will be y value. Calculate the value of x. Now value of x is this angle. So this is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse is basically sine. So I will write sine of x is equal to BC over AC. Opposite over hypotenuse. BC is 5.3 and AC is 8.2. So x will be equal to sine inverse of 5.3 over 8.2, and this will be inverse sine 5.3 divided by 8.2. This will be equal to 40.26. 40.26. So we can write as 40.3. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, you understood each and everything, and link of PDF solution of this file is already provided in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe if you not have done, and also like the video, press bell icon. You will be getting intimation for the incoming videos, and we will be uploading detailed explanation videos also, and past papers as well. Thanks for watching Maths TV. Take care. Bye.